Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to paint another kurta together. So this is the kurta that I'm going to paint. You can see this is again an asymmetrical kurta, and the design that I will be choosing will complement this style. So this is the design that I'm going to paint over this. I'm using the same method which I have used for a couple of previous kurtas as well to transfer my design. I'm using a carbon paper. But of course, if you are very confident about your drawing, you can go ahead and draw it directly on the fabric freehand as well. To understand the complete process of how I transfer the design and what are the other methods that I use for transferring my designs, you can watch my previous videos where I have shared this in extreme detail. Now my design is finally transferred. You can see it's very clear, it's very pretty. The next step is to put a cardboard inside so that when I'm painting, the colors do not get applied on the opposite side. Now I'm using a 0 number brush from Doms. There are lots of brushes available in the market which are specifically designed for details and minute work, but I am using a simple 0 number brush by Doms. This entire set had I think 5 or 6 brushes and it costs only 50 rupees. So the reason I'm mentioning it here is because you do not need expensive supplies or costly products for your artwork. It's all about your skills, your hand stability, and your expertise. So I have already shown you the close-up, and here is the time-lapse video. I'm first just going to outline the entire drawing and then I will be adding the details. So my plan is to make it detailed and in a wavy manner. Here my outline is completed and now I'm moving ahead with the details. So when I am adding these details or minute lines inside, one thing that I'm doing is that I'm not picking up my paint again and again. So these lines inside these sections are somewhat lighter in shade as compared to the outline. I will show a close-up just for clarity. You can see even when the inside of these sections are completely filled, the outlines are still visible very nicely. Next, I'm going to add some dramatic lines around it using this wooden stick. So what I'm doing is, this is a very fine stick. I'm adding paint on one side and then simply pressing it against the kurta multiple times. So few lines are darker, few are lighter, because first time there will be more paint and then subsequent times the paint gets lesser and lesser. So the subsequent lines are lighter in color. Next, I'm just taking lots of paint on my brush and putting splashes all around. And here is the final artwork. You can see how dramatic this complete artwork looks. And this is the final look of the kurta. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and did you like this kurta or not. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.